My wife informed me that her blinker is out, driver's side rear. So you can see here that the blinker is going extremely fast. I can see that the front one's on. If I put on my right blinker, much slower compared to the left. So that's usually a sign that there is some type of problem. So we're going to go take a look at that. So we're going to go ahead and take the tail light right off. So that means we've got to open up our trunk. And we're going to come over here. And we have one bolt that we need to take out. It almost looks like there was a spot for another one. I've never had it on there, neither side does. So all we'll do is take that one bolt out. And that's going to be a 10mm socket. And we're going to pull the lens kind of out and then backwards. This nipple goes right in there to hold it in. So we have reverse lights, and we've got our brake light and a running light, and then down here we have a little running light, and then we have our blinker. So we know that the blinker is going to be up top here. So if I flip it over, I'm going to be going right for this one. I'm going to turn it towards me. And their wires are kind of tight, so you want to make sure that you have a little play there. And it's going to pop out. And this is a 3057, I believe. Yep, 3057. So I'm going to replace that with a new one. Make sure it seats in there good. I hear it click. And put it back in. And then turn it. So what I'm going to do now is I'll make sure that it's working. So I'm going to go try the blinker. So she's working now. So I'm going to seat that back in. I hear it snap. And it's just putting that bolt back on. Lining up the hole. And then tightening it back up. Making sure that's nice and snug. So pretty simple fix, only took a couple minutes. I hope that helped, and good luck.